I have written this book based on my PhD thesis, and my PhD thesis was from Tata Institute of Soul Sciences, Bombay, and I have converted that book into converted that thesis into book, and the title of the book is Post-Colonial Bollywood and Muslim Identity: Production, Representation, and Reception. So this book is out in 2024 by Oxford University Press. This book is all about representation of Muslim identity in Bollywood cinema. And though we are calling it Bollywood cinema, but it was Hindi cinema earlier, before 1990s. So I have captured from post-independence era till today, exactly if not till today, but till 2020, the kind of, and I have divided the book into 4 different genres: Muslim historical, Muslim political, Muslim modern, and Muslim social. So every era had a kind of different genre I have categorized. For example, from 1950s to 1970s or 1960s, mid 1960s, at that particular period, the kind of films on Muslim representation or those films were representing Muslims, those were mostly historical films. So that's why I have categorized that particular genre as Muslim historical. Afterwards, if we look at post mid 60s to probably 1980s, that particular era, we have seen that Muslims are represented as Nawabs and Jamindar kind of. So, and they were representing Islamic culture more in those films, and that genre I have categorized as Muslim social. Then, post 1992, post Babri era, till 2000, even if you look at 2005, that particular era is Muslim political, where I have talked about the how politics of the country also influenced in filmmaking and Muslim representation as well. And there I have primarily talked about the equation of India, Pakistan and terrorism and those political affairs I have discussed, and how those had huge amount of impact on Muslim representation. And then Muslim modern is the genre which is belonging primarily to post 2005 to 2020, and where though we are seeing regular ordinary Muslim guy, but ultimately again there are certain amount of politics and nuances of those representations as well that I have discussed.